So for question 9, what we want to do is to extract the day of the week from the delivery date. The manager would like to know which day of the week shipments are expected to arrive to help with staffing, of course, in the bookstore. So optimization of personnel. Then the manager wants to confirm that no deliveries are scheduled for Saturday. This could be that Saturday maybe is more expensive, right? If you want things delivered on Saturday. And in column M, we are to extract the day of the week from the expected arrival date we calculated earlier. And then we want to count how many shipments are delivered or scheduled for delivery for Saturday. What we will do here to extract day of the week, what I've seen some do is to use the weekday function, which is fine, except that the weekday function returns a number. So 3 here means that this is delivered on a Tuesday, right? I prefer text because text actually allows you to format. Let's say you want the short form. This is Monday. If you wanted a complete name of the week, day of the week, then it is going to be 4 days, yeah? So I can copy this here to the first cell and then say K2, yeah? Copy this down. And then I want to count for those that are delivered on Saturday or scheduled. So for that, I will use count if the range here as Saturday. So it should be able to give me the number of deliveries made on Saturday. It's 0. So to actually validate this, I can count for another day because we want deliveries to be on day of the week, working day, yeah? So let me count for Monday. You see that it's 38. So we can do the same for December. So how do we extract the month? We again use the text, and then here, if we use 3 M's, it's going to give us the short form. If we use 4 M's, it's going to give us the complete name of the month, and then we copy the formula down. Then here we want to see how many are delivered in December. Count if is it N, right? It's December. Yeah. Quite simple, but also powerful. Now, when we move on to pivot tables, you see that we can even build more powerful, approaches to deriving meaningful insights from data. But these functions are quite simple, but they are usually our go-to for exploratory analysis to understand the data. So the first thing that we do with the data set is we play around with it and we can utilize these functions to just see what we're dealing with, yeah? I know that may be simple for some of you, but again, for others, it's the beginning of their journey with Excel. So let us extend patience, empathy, and grace. Let's stop here for now, and we're happy to take any questions that you may have.